him dead. Whiskey in the water and blood in the creek. The outlaw has a glass eye and a scar on his cheek. The town hall's a saloon and the women are whores. No house is allowed to put locks on their doors. He dreamt he was a king, safe in his bed, as one another outlaw shot him dead.